Are you looking to change over from traditional to electronic cigarettes? Do you want to try but not want the expensive cost of a starter kit? Then why not purchase the Volcano Disposable cigarette? The disposable Volcano electronic cigarette comes in two flavours, which are tobacco and menthol. Each disposable cigarette is equivalent to 2 traditional packs of cigarettes. There is no hassle with changing cartridges or recharging batteries. The Volcano Disposable electronic cigarette is one of the most competitive on the market in regards to pricing. Try it today and you will soon see the difference in your wallet. The Volcano Disposable electronic cigarette, the cost-effective way to smoke. For more information, visit www.electronicscigarettesale.net/2010/11/disposable electronic cigarette review Volcano Disposables.